Welcome to my presentation today, Decoding Environmentally Friendly POS. My name is Neil McCarthy and I'm Head of Sales and Marketing at Pyramid Display Materials. Today, we're briefly diving into the world of environmentally friendly POS materials. Whether it's for print or fabrication, understanding these materials can be both complex and confusing. Take this cardboard display, for example. At the end of its use, it can be broken down and recycled into fibrous new products, reducing waste. All retailers have a paper and board waste stream, so you can be 100% sure this will be recycled. And Europe has one of the highest paper and board recycling rates globally at around 85%. Compare that to this plastic display. Most retailers have a mixed plastic waste stream, and if not sorted into the various plastics placed in this waste stream, it's odds on this display will end up being incinerated or worse, ending up in landfill. But the conversation doesn't stop at disposal. At its most complex, the topic includes the carbon footprint analysis of a specific piece of POS material. This involves examining the entire life cycle analysis of a material, from raw material extraction, manufacturing and transportation, to its usage and eventual disposal. The problem is, because there's no common formula adopted by the manufacturers of the base POS materials, it always begs the question, where do you start and where do you finish? So how do you make the right choice? Choosing materials that require less energy to produce, opting for local suppliers to minimise transportation emissions, and selecting materials that have a lower environmental impact during disposal are all steps that can significantly reduce the carbon footprint, even if you cannot actually define this with credible data. Additionally, look for certifications and standards that indicate environmentally friendly practices such as FSC certified board. Also look for suppliers who are actively engaged in environmental improvement programs such as HP's POPAI Impact program. So let's look at some specific fibrous products based on what we have discussed so far. XL Impact Board to replace foam PVC, fluted PP or Corex as it's more commonly known, or MDF. XL Elements Waterproof Board to replace PVC film, styrene or polypropylene film. And manufacturers are now launching products with a lot more detailed environmental credentials. Here's a new product from Fedrigoni, the self-adhesive manufacturer, F-Jet Natural Fibers 115. Let's look at the detail now listed. PVC free, plasticizer free, plastic free, made with 100% post-consumer recycled fibres, FSC certified, and an LCA comparison with an equivalent PVC film, 50% less energy consumed, 58% less water consumed, and 48% less CO2 emissions. Swedboard, structured paper board, or honeycomb board as it is more commonly known. Its natural fibrous look makes it an obvious environmentally friendly product from the public's perception. And it's also used to replace foam PVC, fluted PP or MDF. So, to sum up, while the topic of environmentally friendly POS materials can be complex, focusing on disposal methods, LCA and carbon footprint analysis can guide us towards more sustainable choices. If you would like to discuss any of the products or ideas in this presentation, please contact us via our sustainability section at www.pyramid-display.co.uk. Thank you for your time today.